Hello. So today's recipe is for a boba tea with popping boba. So the flavor for popping boba I'm using is passion fruit. And I happen to use the Mayde version of popping boba. I put about 2 tablespoons of boba in there. The tea that I've got is Jasmine green tea from Happy Belly. What I do is I make up the green tea in advance, and I have these pitchers that I put it in, and I have the green lid for the green tea and a purple lid for the herbal teas. And that way the tea is already made and in the fridge, and I can just pour it out when I'm ready to do it. So that works well for me. I added in 2 squirts of the strawberry Torani flavor. And I don't think I'm going to be able to tilt this sideways to show you, but I put the tea into the container and then I put the flavoring in, and I didn't stir it up to mix it, and it's got a cool layered effect where the flavoring sunk to the bottom. I will try without pouring it. So the color is red and then it fades up into this light green color. So it's a cool double layered effect that it happened without much work at all on my part. I'm going to be working on trying to make layered drinks going forward. And usually they involve different levels of sugar, and this having more sugar than the tea tends to sink to the bottom, so it naturally layers. So if you want to make some cool layered effects, that's something to think about. Most of the time with boba tea, they tell you to stir it a lot to get it all to mix together, but if you want a neat layered effect, then you can, well, I mean, you could even put the strawberry in first and then carefully pour the tea over to keep it even more separated. But in my case, I put the tea in first, added the strawberry, and it sunk right to the bottom and created a layered effect. And then I've got the straw. Usually put the pointed side down. Not that it really matters. I just tend to toss them in however I toss them in. And then I have my last 2 green mochi because I've eaten the rest of them. So I have a nice mochi treat with the boba. So I suppose now that I've enjoyed the effect, I'm going to mix it up. Just because I like it to have an even flavor. But that is up to you. So we'll see what strawberry tastes like with passion fruit. Oh, that's really nice. So you get the strawberry as the main flavor with the green tea and the jasmine, and then the little popping bits of the passion fruit add a nice balance to it. So I highly recommend this combination of flavors. Let me know if you have any questions.